bounds.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Meteorite. I'm back here with another video. So yeah, in this video we are gonna unbox this Amazon package which I ordered. I'll show you just in a sec what I ordered from Amazon. First, let's open all of this box or this packet. Well, I have to censor my address since I cannot let anyone know where I live. So yeah, let's open this package. And this is a lot of protective cover. Now I am gonna open up this protective cover. This is the thing which I ordered from Amazon. A Bluetooth dongle. Well, actually I thought it would come in black, but still it came in white. I cannot do anything about it. But still, yeah, it is awesome, very awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna test this and review this. Well, does it even work or not? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna test it now. Okay, I'll go to my bench and bring my speakers down there. So yeah guys, to make this thing work, you are gonna need any speaker which has an aux input. Well, this is a portable speaker that I made. It has an aux input which I use to play music. So yeah, you are also gonna need this USB adapter. I'm taking from Samsung. By the way, we are not sponsored by Samsung, but still. Okay, now I'm gonna bring my power supply down here. Okay guys, the build quality does look good in this Bluetooth dongle. Now I'm gonna plug it to my USB adapter. Well, I needed a USB adapter because it has a USB type. I don't know what is this, but yeah, I'm just gonna plug it in my USB adapter. I guess it goes in like this. Oh yes, it does go in. Perfectly goes in. Now we will need this aux cable comes in with this dongle, so I am gonna plug this aux cable to this part of the dongle, and then I'm gonna plug this aux cable to my portable speaker which doesn't have any Bluetooth also. Okay, I've plugged it in. Now let's plug this to the power supply. Okay, let's hope this works. If this doesn't, I'm gonna kill Amazon. Just kidding. Okay, I've turned it on. Although, oh yeah, I can see a blue light shining. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, I don't know why that sound is even there, but still, let's just hope it will work. Okay, so yeah, that is one weird sound. Let's just plug it again. So yeah, I am gonna play some Bluetooth music. I'll turn on my music player and Bluetooth. Okay guys, so the good news is it works pretty well, but yeah, there's this one tiny problem. It takes a lot of time to pair, but still, I'm gonna play the music, okay? So yeah guys, I'm gonna play the music. Okay.
Sitting down below the sea. If you're looking for loyalty, who would be your greatest enemy?
Okay guys, so it worked perfectly. As you can hear, the sound quality is very good and the Bluetooth works perfectly well. So yeah, I'll give this Bluetooth dongle a full star on Amazon. The seller is quite reliable. I'm gonna leave the exact same link on where I bought this Bluetooth dongle, and you can easily buy it. Well, yeah, this Bluetooth speaker, just a quick intro about this Bluetooth speaker. I mean, this portable speaker, I mean. Well, it has a solar panel I attached to it. And yeah, it doesn't have any Bluetooth because that's why I bought this, so that I could make a built-in Bluetooth inside this portable speaker. And yeah, it has one big switch, why I will put it there. And it has USB Type-C, I guess, to charge it all in. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be back with more videos from Tech Meteorite. Till then, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.